During the pandemic, many of us participated into the Master Skills University via WebEx. Now it's going to be happening face-to-face in Hollywood, Florida. That's a little north of Miami, from September 12th to the 15th. Why do I think it is important? Well, if you are new to Curator, and taking the basic track is actually very, very useful. It's a quick way of getting accelerated into your knowledge of Curator. And I actually have the honor to be invited to teach one of those sections of the basic training. But what I think it is most important is the advanced track. And actually, if you scroll down here, you can see the sessions that are as part of the advanced track. Also, the opportunity to meet other Curator users. It's very, very important. The networking aspect of the master skills can only happen when you do these face-to-face. A nice location in Florida, and I look forward to meet many of you face-to-face. I'll be there, but I can assure you that as soon as I'm done with my session, the rest of the time I will be investing it in going into the advanced sections and learn more. And the reason why I like these sessions is that these are not taught by any IBM marketing or salesperson. These are taught by mostly, if not always, developers. So you're going to get deep understanding of those technologies and have the opportunity to ask questions to those developers. So looking forward to see you there. The link for the registration will be in the video description of this video.